Welcome. In this video, I'll be making stew chicken. If you know stew chicken, it can be eaten at any time, whether breakfast, lunch, or dinner, paired with fried dumpling, boiled dumpling, rice, you name it. So I'm going to start off by chopping the meat into bite-sized pieces like this. This is the difference between fricassee chicken, which is stew chicken cousin. For the seasoning, I have salt, black pepper, paprika, all purpose, and chicken season, and I'm going to mix those together. Next, I'm going to season the washed meat and rub in the seasoning. Just massage it until it's all covered, and then you're going to add the browning. My hand is a bit heavy more well, so I'm going to use this much, and if I need to add more, I will do it later. Next, I'm going to chop onion, garlic, pepper, sweet pepper, and scallion to add more flavor along with pimento seed and thyme. Then I'm just going to rub it in and put it to marinate. Once I'm ready to cook over medium heat with vegetable oil, I put in the chicken. And the chicken kind of produces a lot of oil, so there isn't much oil in the pot right now. But I'm just going to put all of it and let it sear. Cover and we'll check it in 10 minutes. So you can see it also produces its own water, and I'm going to leave it for some more time. Okay, so the chicken kind of don't have the color that I want, so I'm just going to add a toops more brown in. Some people like it darker than this, but that's okay, that's you. So let's see how it's going. Smells good, and then you can just taste a little right here. Anyway, I'm just going to add some water, about a cup, and ketchup, and let it simmer until the gravy is ideal. Well, it is done and it looks so yummy. I had some pasta salad and I made some vegetable on the side. Thank you guys for watching. Big up on yourself and make sure to subscribe.